Welcome to English Hidden Podcast. Every 4 years, the world seems to pause. Cities become quieter. Families gather around television screens. And billions of people watch the same game. For 1 month, football becomes more than just a sport. It becomes a language, a celebration, and a dream shared by the entire world. This is the incredible story of the FIFA World Cup.
Today, the FIFA World Cup is the biggest sporting event on Earth. Billions of viewers, thousands of unforgettable moments, and legends whose names live forever. But have you ever wondered how it all began? Who had the idea to bring the world together through football?
In the early 1900s, football was already becoming popular across Europe and South America. But there was one problem. Countries had no global tournament to prove who was truly the best. Then came a French sports administrator with a revolutionary idea. His name was Jules Rimet. He believed football could unite nations, even after difficult times. His dream was simple: create one tournament, where the best teams on earth could compete for glory. Many people thought it was impossible. But Jules Rimet refused to give up.
After years of planning, that dream finally became reality. In 1930, the first FIFA World Cup was held in Uruguay. Only 13 nations took part. Compared to today's tournament, it was very small. But no one knew they were witnessing the beginning of history.
Thousands of fans filled the stadiums. Players competed not for millions of dollars, but for pride, for their country, for history. When the final whistle blew, Uruguay defeated Argentina, becoming the first FIFA World Cup champions. A new tradition had been born.
From that moment, the World Cup became more than a football tournament. It became a symbol of hope. A stage where unknown players could become legends, and where entire nations could celebrate together.
But this was only the beginning. The World Cup would soon survive wars, break records, create unforgettable heroes, and become the greatest sporting event the world has ever seen.
We'll explore the greatest World Cup moments, the legends who changed football forever, and why winning the World Cup remains every footballer's ultimate dream.
We discovered how one man's dream became the world's greatest football tournament. But over the years, the FIFA World Cup became much more than a competition. It became a stage where heroes were born, dreams came true, and history was written.
Every World Cup creates unforgettable memories. A last-minute goal, an impossible save, a young player becoming a national hero, or a captain lifting the trophy after years of sacrifice. These are the moments that millions of fans never forget.
The FIFA World Cup has introduced the world to some of football's greatest legends. From Pelé, who became a global superstar while still a teenager, to Diego Maradona, whose unforgettable performances inspired an entire nation. Years later, the world watched Zinedine Zidane, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Lionel Messi create moments that will be remembered forever. Each generation brings new stars. But the dream remains exactly the same: to wear your country's jersey and lift the most famous trophy in football.
For many players, winning the World Cup means more than winning any club title. Because when they step onto the field, they are no longer playing only for themselves. They are playing for millions of people back home, for their families, for their flag, and for history.
Every 4 years, the World Cup brings people together. Different languages, different cultures, different traditions. Yet for 90 minutes, the entire world shares the same emotions: hope, joy, nervous excitement, and unforgettable celebration. Football becomes a language everyone understands.
Children dream of wearing their nation's colors. Parents pass their love of football to the next generation. Friends celebrate together. Even if they support different teams, that is the true magic of the FIFA World Cup.
From just 13 teams in 1930 to a tournament watched by billions around the globe, the FIFA World Cup has become one of the greatest celebrations of sport in human history. Every edition creates new heroes, new stories, and new memories that last forever.
The FIFA World Cup reminds us that football is more than goals and trophies. It is about passion, unity, hope, and the belief that anything is possible. Thank you for joining us on English Hidden Podcast. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with every football fan you know. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams. Keep believing in the impossible. And we'll see you in the next episode.